All right, children, the time now is 5:30. Let's begin lesson. All right. And as you can see from the PowerPoint slide, colorful PowerPoint slide, right? Yes. So now, 88 Tuition is having a promotion. And what is the promotion about? It's called Bring Your Friend. You don't sound excited one, only me. All right. Yeah, you can bring your friend for lesson, all right? And your friend doesn't have to be from your same class, all right? It can be from your primary 4 or primary 3 friend, or you have a primary 2 friend. Oh, 88 Tuition don't have primary 2. All right, so you can actually bring a friend, and if that friend of yours sign up for the tutorial lessons, right, you will actually get 2 free classes. Woohoo! Say woohoo! Okay. Woohoo! Said Zoe. All right, good job, Zoe. All right. So children, yeah, this is the promotion that 88 Tuition is having. So if you think that your friend, right, maybe is not as smart as you, all right, that needs some tuition help, right, then maybe you can let them know about this. All right. So get them to WhatsApp 8811-008. Ask them to WhatsApp 8811-0008. Sound like an advertisement or not? Nobody excited. So boring. All right. So if you're that friend, right, sign up, right? Then you will get 2 free lessons. Your friend will get 2 free lessons. All right. Then you can help your daddy, mommy save money also. All right. I think your daddy, mommy also received the message already. All right. This is just for you. Is it okay? Okay. Okay. Hello, Jovi. Hello, Mingy. Hello, Emma. All right. Welcome for lesson. Hello, Jacob. All right. Hey, where's Calista? Calista, meow meow, where are you? All right. So come, let's begin our lessons today. Last week we did something called what? Last week we did something called multiplication of fractions. Do you remember? Yeah. So today we will continue with one questions regarding multiplication of fractions. Sorry, multiplication of fractions. Okay. So remember this question? I give you as homework, right? So just want to show you how to do this type of question. Right, then after that, we'll be going into other things like the distributive laws of multiplication. And also very important, today is branching method. Branching. Okay? So let's talk about this question first. Yes, Leming, your answer is correct. Good job. Right, and because down here got the answer, what? Okay, come. Given that 1/3 of a number is 20, do you know that number? Sure, I don't know the number, but I know 1/3 of it. What's the meaning of 1/3? 1/3 means, right, you have to cut the total into 3 equal parts. Hiya. All right, so I cut this total, right? This whole thing is called the number. All right, so I hiya the number into Jovi. You type wrongly, is it? Answer is 30, not 31. All right, and 1/3 of it, right? They say 1/3 of it, 1/3 of it is down here. Is means equal to 20. So down here is 20. Do you understand? This part is 20. What can you find? Can you find 3 of it? No problem. If 1 of it is 20, 3 of it will be 60. But please don't put 60 as the answer. Why? 60 is the number, but what is the question? The question is asking for half of the number. Half of 60. All right, question is asking for half of 60. Off means what? Off means times what? So you take 60 and you hiya. Hala, like that. Right or not? Yeah, not funny lah. Okay lah, not funny lah. I thought cut into half what? All right, so it's 60 times half is equal to 30. That's your answer. Is that okay, children? All right, so you can actually incorporate a bit of model drawing and a little bit of E to M. English to math. E to M means English to math. English to math means you read down here is English, right? Then you can translate it. Half is half. Off means times. The number is 60, right? Can you see or not? This is one of my favorite method. E to M. All right, so you still get a 30. Is that okay? All right, so this is how I will do it. This is how I will do it. All right. I think Darius got a very I think Darius is actually, he can think quite far. Right. I think these are geniuses. Right. They can think very far. So they immediately put all the steps into one step already. And it's correct. All right. There are some people who can do that, seriously. All right. So again, children, there's no super best method. The best method is the method that you give me the correct answer and that you understand. That's called the super best method. All right. So Darius just put everything in one line, and I understand. I understand what he's doing, and I think he understands also. Right, but the rest of you cannot understand. Never mind, you follow my method. Is it okay? All right, as I said, different people got different creativity in answering. All right, and Kalista method also, right? She purposely compare 1/3 and half. All right, she purposely make the denominator the same. This part I can even understand better. Can you see? All right, so she purposely make the denominator the same, and she compare 2 out of the 6 the 2 actually is 20. That's what the question say, right? All right, then how do you find 3? So she purposely find 1 unit first, then find 3 units. All right, Kalista method is quite fast also. Is it okay? All right, so both their method is okay. All right, if you like my method, you can also use it. All right, a bit of model, a little bit of English to math. Okay, okay, so doable, children, is doable. Okay, are you ready for today's lesson? Are you ready? Yes, I am. Sorry, there is Mrs. Ong. All right, so let's go into today's lesson. All right, so something called the distributive law of multiplication. This is what I call monkey. Have I taught you this before? Monkey. I think I taught you all this before, right? Got or not? The monkey thing? I told you my favorite animal is monkey. Don't have. All right, so for example, right? For example, down here is right. Example.
The monkey.
Huh? Your favorite animal is monkey also?
No, you have already taught the monkey.
I thought already, right? Yeah, I thought so. Right. I think I taught this many times already. But just a quick one, Right.
Yeah.
Then I want to go into something called branching. So this is called the distributive law of multiplication, or very, very long-winded, right? So for example, they give you something like that. 3 times 23 plus 2 times 23 is equal to what times 23? So can you see, not children? Down here, right, when there is the same thing, right, like times 23, and times 23, right? I like to call this what? I like to call this monkey. Right? My favorite animal is a monkey. Okay, don't ask me why. All right, these are monkeys.
Why?
And the meaning of equal, right? Equal means they have to balance. What's the meaning of balance? Balance means, right, you have to ensure that your left and your right must be the same thing in order to balance. All right, equal means balance. Can? So on the left, right, this is called on the left. All right, this portion is called the left-hand side. What do you see? This part is called the left. All right, you have 3 monkeys plus 2 monkeys. So total got how many monkeys? You got 5 monkeys. All right, and the 5 monkeys, right, can be written, the monkeys is times 23, right? This is called monkey, right? Right, so it's like 5 monkeys. Okay? So how to balance it? On your right-hand side, right, it also must have 5 monkeys now. Correct? In order to balance this thing, right? Understand, or children? So what you put in as the answer down here? Sure, 5 lah. Ta-da! All right, so you don't have to physically do it. What? Sure, 23 times 3 69. 23 times 2 46. For 69 plus 46 for 115. Sure, so long the step. Oh yeah, then 115 must divide by 23. Sure. How to divide by 2 numbers? Then you start to panic for nothing, children. Understand or not? So there are some easy ways of doing. You don't have to, go through all the super long step. Can? But today we'll be doing a little bit about fraction. So later you'll be seeing some of the questions. All right, fraction is also same thing, children. Nothing to fear. So for example, they say there is half times 7 minus half times 5 equal to what times half? Sure, so scary. Okay, don't worry. Look for monkey. Monkey. Can you see not? Everybody got the times half. All right, everybody got the times half or the half times. Can you see not? So this is the same item. Yes, you can have the monkey in front also. It's okay. All right, it's okay. It's the same thing. All right. Wow, Fanta grape. Toby, you got the answer already so fast. All right, so whenever you see the times half, right, it means what? Monkey. Okay, you don't like monkey, fine, fine. Donkey? Can? Donkey? All right, so this one, the circle one is called donkey, can? Donkey. So the same thing, the same thing happens down here. The same thing happens down here. All right, on the left, right, how many donkeys do we have? 7 donkeys minus 5 donkeys. That will give you 2 what? 2 donkeys, right? And donkeys I can put times half. All right, the meaning of donkeys is times half. Is that okay? Okay, All right, I can put it in front, I can put it behind. Why? Why can I do that? Because 2 times half is the same as half times 2. Understand or not? They're the same thing. Yes, wow, so many of you give the correct answer already. Good job. All right, so 7 donkeys minus 5 donkeys is 2 donkeys. Oh, down here I have donkeys already. So I just got to put the number 2 down here. And that's the answer. Easy or not, children? Yes, Jacob, I saw your answer. So that's called the distributive law of multiplication. Of course, later there's some more challenging question, but let's just take this first, all right, and understand what is happening. Is that okay? Okay, so this is just the appetizer. Appetizer, you go to restaurant, eat something. That's just a small part to it only. All right, the main dish is coming out. Woo! All right, the main dish is talking about the what? It's talking about the what's it called? Branching method. Okay, branching method. Okay, Jovi just joined. Okay, so today, right, I want to teach you all a little bit about something called branching method. I want to try to get you all to learn how to use it, can? All right, it's not too early to learn this method. All right, I teach this in primary 6, just to let you know. All right, but I want to show it to the P5 also. All right, because it's a very fast and easy method. All right, so I hope that you can try to use this in future. All right, and I think that Jasmine used it already. I saw her answer, her work solution. So I think she knows how to do it. I think because she watched the video, or I think I taught before also. All right, so for those who are looking at it the first time, right, try to accept it a little bit. All right, it's not going to be your favorite, all right, but it's a very good method. All right, endorsed by Burn Ong. So for example, right, branching method, right, is always for this type of question whereby you see something called the what? You look out for the keyword remainder. Right? You look out for the keyword remainder. Basically, the fraction of a remainder. Right? The fraction of remainder. So you will know that this type of question is a branching. So for example, the question gives you 3/5 of them are boys. Who's the them? Right? So for example, there's a class lah. All right. So the 3/5 of them, the them actually represents the total children. The total children in class. All right. 3/5 of them are boys. And they say another thing. 2/5 of what? The remainder. So when you see this part, the remainder part, right? What do? You can activate something called branching already. 2/5 of the remainder wear glasses, for example. Right, wear glasses. All right, glasses means the one that you put on your face lah. All right. And here comes the question. What fraction of the class? Right, what fraction of the entire class do not wear glasses? Do not wear glasses. Okay, so you need a fraction. So this is the question. It's a very simplified question. So the answer must be a fraction. Understand or not? Right, and this type of question, you can use something called what? Branching. Why? Because of the word fraction of remainder of the remainder. Can you see that?
Wait, is the question supposed to be what fraction of the class? Wait, what fraction of the class are girls who do not wear glasses?
No, it's just what fraction of the class do not wear glasses.
So then what's the point of the 3 out?